When a case goes to a jury for a decision, what questions do they have to answer? Hi, come on in. I'm Jerry Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney, practicing law here in the state of New York. Clients ask me that all the time. They're getting ready to go to trial. They want to know what a jury actually has to decide. Well, there are a number of things they have to decide. They have to decide who's responsible in this case. Who's responsible for the injuries that you received? Are you partially responsible? That may be one of the questions they have to answer as well. Once they determine who is responsible for your injuries, next they have to answer whether that wrongdoing or carelessness caused your injury. And if it did, they will then go on to the next series of questions about the type of injuries you suffered and how much compensation to award you. But if, for some reason, the jury has determined that your injuries are not the result of the wrongdoing by the people you have sued, well, guess what? That will end your case, and they will be told to return to the courtroom. So there are multiple ways that a jury will get to the end or get to answers, and it's almost like a decision tree. And if more than one person is responsible for your injuries, the jury has to answer the question, what percentage is each one responsible? Once they've gotten past that point, next they will evaluate how much money to award you. And there are different categories of damages that they have to consider. They have to consider the past, the suffering and the pain that you endured, as well as the future, what problems you're going to have in the future, and make an award for that. Let's say you have lost earnings. They have to evaluate that too. And if you have a spouse and they have a separate claim for loss of services or loss of consortium, they will evaluate that and put a number on that as well. So those are basically the types of questions that a jury will have to answer in a medical malpractice or in a wrongful death or in an accident case here in the state of New York. And that's it for today's video. By the way, if you found this information helpful, I want you to press that button below that says like on Facebook and YouTube. This way all of your friends can get the benefit of the same exact information. If you're watching this on Google+, press the +1 button or the share button. Your friends will get the same thing. And if you have legal questions, I want you to pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is what I do every single day. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Jerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks so much for watching.